if you've been released by the doctor to and you have work restrictions, such as to go into your workplace and go into the office and have your feet elevated at all times and do work office related desk jobs like answer phones and all that. But when you do those and you're like the work in the office slows down and there's nothing to do, if your boss is harassing you about going out into the warehouse or anything about doing other jobs that you can't do, what steps should you take?
Oh, harassment in the midst of workers' comp.
What do you see with that, Chad?
That's a pretty typical situation, actually, where it's another fact-sensitive situation where employers, there's specific procedures an employer has to follow to get you on light duty. A doctor has to sign off on light duty restrictions, and then your employer has to fill out a form indicating that you can perform, or they have a job available for you to perform within those restrictions. If your employer is asking you to go outside of those restrictions, you can always refuse. I understand and know it's not always that easy. Oftentimes, if an employer continues to kind of pressure you into doing tasks that are outside of those work restrictions, they can even cause superadded or additional injuries to other parts of your body, which also would be compensable. But it's something we see a lot of, and if you don't have an attorney, I would definitely recommend contacting one to make sure that your employer has followed the proper procedures and to hold your employer accountable if they haven't.